Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the virtual RC ready and opening the official app that supports QR scanning. Tap Sign in if needed. Once done, grant camera permission so the scanner can work. You want a stable internet connection because the app will verify details online. Make sure location services are on if required. Position your phone where the virtual RC QR is visible on another screen or printed copy. This gets you into scanning mode quickly without fumbling with settings. You now frame the QR code clearly within the app's viewfinder. Steady your hands and reduce glare by lowering screen brightness or changing angle. Once centered, the app usually auto-detects the QR. If it does not, tap the capture button to force a read. You should see a progress indicator as the app decodes and fetches the RC data. If the code is virtual on another device, temporarily increase contrast on that screen to improve detection. This step extracts the encoded link or payload for verification. You finish by reviewing the decoded RC details shown in the app and confirming identifiers like chassis and registration numbers match what you expect. Tap Accept or Verify to complete the process and save a local copy or add to your app wallet for quick access later. If the app flags an error, make sure the QR isn't distorted and retry. Restarting the app or toggling camera permission often fixes issues. One key troubleshooting tip: increase display contrast or use a matte screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.